Hey everyone, right here I have a 2014 Mazda 5 Grand Touring. This vehicle is in very nice shape. It has 96,000 miles. You have your alloy wheels with very good tires. Very nice gray paint. Not too many scrapes or dings on the exterior. Now this vehicle is a mix of a wagon, a van, a SUV, and a car. You have sliding doors back here. Now these second row seats do move back and forth. Your third row does offer some pretty decent room. Otherwise you can fold it down. You do also have your center storage and your climate control. Up front you will notice you do have your turn signal mirrors as well as your power door locks, windows, and mirrors. Right here, very nice leather seats, perforated, and you do have some black piping right there. The seats, it's actually worth mentioning, they are very comfortable. You do have your rain sensing wipers as well as automatic headlights. Plenty of controls up here. You have your Bluetooth, your volume controls, your cruise. Over here you will notice this Mazda 5 does have automatic climate control. You do have your auxiliary USB, CD, FM, AM, all that stuff. Up here you even get a sunroof, heated seats, and backup parking sensors. Come check out this Mazda 5 at Shockley Honda, 301-694-5400. It definitely has tons of life left in it.